Hello. For this video, I will be showing how to create a new customized homepage in D2L BrightSpace. The first thing you will do is click the Course Admin tab. Then select Home Pages. Click the arrow beside Course Homepage, then select Copy. Select the blue hyperlink that says Course Homepage Copy. Enter a course homepage name. Now, set your homepage properties. Make sure for type you have widget-based. Select the box for Include Homepage Header. Include a name for the homepage header. Make sure the layout is basic. Scroll down to Widgets and select Add Widgets on the left side. Scroll down and select News. Click Add. Do the same thing to the right side widgets. Click Add Widgets. Scroll and select News. Then click Add. Click the X on Calendar on the right. Click Save and Close. Under Active Home Page, select the home page you just created. Click Apply. Your home page is now set as the active course homepage. You have now created a customized course homepage. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.